Okay, the shares of ExxonMobil is already up, but let's give it a minute to talk about the Asian markets closed for today. Shares in China took a tumble today after regulatory curbs on aggressive share purchases by insurers ahead of the highly anticipated US FOMC's two-day meeting starting Tuesday. While politics dominated news flows in other markets, the Shanghai Composite down 2.5%, as the Shenzhen Composite ended about 5% in the red. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng fell 1.3% by mid-afternoon, while Australia's benchmark ASX 200 was up slightly, 0.04%. The Japanese benchmark was an exception. That's the Nikkei 225, closing 0.84%. Wall Street will be opening in about 2 hours from now. The U.S. stocks index pointing to a flat open as traders pause for breath following Wall Street's best trading week since the election. On the data front, markets Monday will see the federal budget for November released at 2 p.m. Eastern. Verifone is the only company set to release earnings report today, and that is expected to be after the bell. As you heard, ExxonMobil shares 1.5% in pre-trade, Chevron up 1.7% pre-market as crude prices rally 4% on the back of the latest oil deal. Let's come back to West Africa, where the Ghanaian stock market moved slightly higher in the week of the presidential election that saw the emergence of Nana Akufo-Addo as the president-elect, beating the incumbent John Mahama. The Ghana Stock Exchange Composite Index was up 27.63 basis points, while transaction turnover surged on Wednesday and Friday last week. The broad index finished 1,571.73 on Friday. The year-to-date index return, however, remains negative at 1.21%. And you can see that there. Meantime, Ghanaians are full of expectations that the incoming administration of President Nana Akufo-Addo will revitalize the economy and businesses. Let's talk to the Executive Dean Nobel International Business School based in Accra, Professor Kwaku Atone-Gima. Good afternoon. Thanks for coming through on the program this afternoon. We appreciate your time.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. Now, let's take you through this very quickly. How is the business sector, commerce, trading, reacting to the emergence of Nana Akufo-Addo as the president-elect?
I think with euphoria, because businesses are in the dire straits in Ghana at the moment, and the government, the outgoing government, was increasingly accused of being, not looking after businesses in terms of the particular climate that is created for business to prosper. So businesses were looking for a change in government. And increasingly people think that Nana Akufo-Addo is more business friendly than the outgoing government. So it's a matter of euphoria at the moment.
Yeah, we can see some of the images from the Ghanaians are really there. But what's the future of this administration as it takes office in very soon? What's the future of business and economy? You've been a professor of business in economy.
I think the future looks very good. For example, in the manifesto of the MPP, the incoming government, they decided that they want to create one factory in each district of Ghana. And you can imagine the number of districts we have in Ghana. And the idea is that this is not going to be created by government, but government is going to create an environment and encourage business people to set up these factories. So I think the future looks good if this can be implemented, if the promise can be fulfilled. Okay, so increasingly, a lot of business people are looking for better opportunities at this moment, and I believe that this incoming government, if it fulfills its promises, is going to create the right environment for business to prosper.
We thank you for that. We're going to check with you from time to time. Professor Kwaku Atone-Gima from Ghana, we appreciate that.